Attention, attention. La menu possessoire. Escargot, lobster bisque, tuna tartare, holy mackerel, maintenant. La la la. Les poissons, how I love les poissons. Love to chop and to serve little fish. First I cut off the heads and I pull out the bones. Ah mais oui, ça c'est toujours delish. Les poissons, with the cleaver I hack them in two. I pull out what's inside and I serve it up fried. God, I love little fishes, don't you? Here's something for tempting the palate, prepared in the classic technique. First you pound the fish flat with a mallet, then you slash through the skin, give the belly a slice, then you wrap some salt in. 'Cause that makes it taste nice. So to know, I have missed one. Sacre bleu! What is this? How on earth could I miss such a sweet little succulent crab? Quel dommage, what a loss! You belong in the sauce. With some flour, I think, just a dab. Then I'll stuff you with bread. It won't hurt, you'll be dead. And you'll surely be lucky you are, 'cause it's gonna be hot in my big copper pot. Tout est le monde passant. Au revoir. Shall we? And now something truly exquisite. The creme of the creme de la creme. Oh, you may ask, but what is it? It's a teensy surprise, a delectable treat, one I'm sure you'll just love. Allez, bon appétit! Les poissons, oh la la, here they are. Say bonjour to our friends from the sea. Fish fillet, fish pâté, fish flambé, fish tartare. It's a fish, how you say, jamboree. Harita, chip and smell, fish kebab, tuna melt. If it's grilled, it's been grilled to a T. Fish lightly toasted and roasted and steamed. Toast in a blender, it's tenderly creamed. Dish after dish like you wish to have dreamed. And now for the grand finale, papier de resistance, a delicacy by golly you won't find in the restaurants. A tidbit to tease your taste buds with a certain je ne sais quoi. Voila!
Oh!